Okay, coming to you with another one. This is 3607 Whitehall Drive over in Dallas. This is a 2021 full Reno listed by Mr. Ben Zamora Faro Realty Group. Call me though, not him. You need a buyer's agent, not the listing agent. Anyway, this house is amazing. The way it's done, the design is unique, and it is just an incredible property. And it's massive. 5 beds, 4.5 baths, over 4,000 square feet. It's got an upstairs. It's got one of the craziest owner suites I've seen, and I've seen a lot of them. And let's get into it. So you come in and you are greeted by very tall ceilings. Number one, just right out the gate, really blended the mid-century design with a lot of contemporary and modern elements. Just a ton of space in this open floor plan. It really shows incredibly. And that's one of the things that you love to see when you're talking about contemporary modern design. They're actually still doing some construction, so you might hear or see a little bit of that, but we'll try to edit as much of it out as we can. Really didn't leave any expenses spared in this place. They just have touched every facet of it. The paint, the construction, clean lines, simple looks. Bedroom, here's a little view of the backyard. Again, you got 5 of these bad boys. Look how huge that backyard is. This is in Dallas proper. 75229, right off of Marsh. Just great rooms. Plenty of natural lighting, which just adds a ton of spaciousness feel to the place. Look at the floors, again, very clean lines, even with the floors, not too busy. Subtle, that's the key to contemporary modern, folks. That's one of the things you really want to look for. Is this the owner's suite? It's fairly decent size. It's got its own bedroom. Nope, not hardly. This is the guest or the mother-in-law suite, whichever you'd like to call it. Look at the size of this closet. Guest in town, family staying over for a while, no problem. Coming back in, get a perspective on how huge this foyer is. Plenty of natural lighting, great windows, a lot of tech, 16-seer AC system, beautiful outdoor patio. I keep panning back to this because this is just, I wish that you could get a true feel of the perspective of this place, but you can't because you're not here. But man, it shows even more amazingly than it looks on this video. Outdoor, look at this. Don't have to worry about the rain, the weather. I'm not gonna walk on it because they have just put the side down. It's still taken in. Gotta have a lot of water, but over time, this place is gonna be great. The wood, the stain, did a fantastic job picking the color. This is built by MOI. They did a tremendous job with the design on this place. Attention to detail is something that I really look for, and you just can't discredit when a builder really puts passion into what they're doing, because it shows in the product. And when you want to talk about having something that really personifies contemporary modern design, this is what we talk about. You'll notice few key concepts in the kitchen. Gas range, you gotta have a gas range. This is a beautiful oven, I like it. It blends old and new. Microwave over there. Deep sink. Massive sink. This is a chef sink. You're serious about cooking, you want space. Cooks need space. Stealth cabinets. Your fridge, where is it? Right here. It blends right on in. Now, I'm about to take you into the owner's suite. And this is the owner's suite. Fireplace in your bedroom, got it. Study in your bedroom, got it. Access to your front yard from your bedroom, got it. Access to your own private patio from your bedroom, got it. Legit one of the coolest designs I've seen. All in the owner's suite. So you come around, look at this bathroom. Hello. Deep garden tub. Digital thermostat system. Technology, people, is a key part of the contemporary and modern world. It's not just about architecture, it's about tech and how it all blends together cohesively, which this place does tremendously well. Almost feels like a spa. In this closet, which is just an amazing closet. But we're not done. There's an upstairs family room / game room. In the garage doing some work, so I'm not gonna show you that one, but it's a standard 2x2. Your standard 2-car garage, I should say. It's oversized though. Gated. You can see back here, driveway space. Look at this. You can make this an incredible family room, media room, game room. Are we done? Nope, not yet. Still got another room. 5 beds, 4.5 baths, 4,200 square feet. Private bath up here, full bath. If you are interested in this one, definitely give me a shout. I will get you all the deets and get you out here to see it. Gotta be pre-approved first though, of course. But if you're very interested, you won't go wrong with this one. This is a host's dream. Till the next one.